6 Heroes Return Home, Part 1. Angelo Apomoto, pictured as 6 members of the 5,307th Composite Unit, provisional. Each of these brave men survived the China-Burma-India theater, serving with the elite Long-Range Penetration Special Operations Jungle Warfare Unit of the U.S. Army, known as Marrel's Marauders. U.S. Signal Corps archive. This photo was taken at the Hampton Roads port of embarkation in Newport News, Virginia, on December 26, 1944, by a Signal Corps photographer who was chronicling their long journey home. To commemorate Veterans Day on November 11, 2021, we will be highlighting the lives of these 6 heroes. Pictured, kneeling, left to right, PVT, Frank L. Pruitt, PVT, Patrick J. Morocco, PFC, Angelo Opomoto, standing, left to right, PVT, Fred E. Nally, PFC, Joseph J. Calachi, PVT, Samuel J. Rayner,